How to remove someone from a group chat on Messenger. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial very easily in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video. We can directly start by opening up Messenger application. For that, on your particular device, open up the Messenger app. And once we open up the Messenger app, we can head over to the group directly that we want to remove the members from. For example, let's say this is the group I would like to remove. You can head over to the group. And once we are headed over to the group, what we can do is we can directly look out for the group name at the top of the screen and tap on it in order to access the group info page like this. Now from here, what we need to do is basically scroll down and go to the chat info section. And there we'll be finding different options available. Now, in order to remove the members, what we can do is directly tap on this option called See Chat Members and tap on it. After that, when we tap on it here, we'll be finding all of the members available in that particular group. Now, if you want to remove them, what we can do is we can tap on their name. And once we tap on their name, a piece pops up. From there, we can just go and tap on this option called Remove from Group Chat. And then just go and confirm it up. And it will directly remove the member from that group. Similarly, you can follow up the same process for other member as well and tap on Remove from Group Chat. And then remove them from the group. And that should remove them from that particular group. This is the method available. And in order to remove someone from the group, you need to be the admin of the group and only you will be getting the permission to do so. So if you're the admin of the group, you can just go and follow up this process and you should be able to remove the members from that group. So we hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.